Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock price action analysis. And as you saw in the thumbnail of the video, time to be careful and something along those lines that would be there like that, guys. So yes, it's time to get careful. Yeah, Tesla is failing to get into the buying zone. Like, buyers are trying their best, no doubt about it. We'll talk about all of that. I'll show you in the price action and everything, but sellers are really taking over, and so it's time to get careful because we are not very far away from breaking some very critical levels at this point, and that will open up the Pandora box. That will open up the zones of flushes. I'll talk about those things here, guys, in just a second. So with that, hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So I'm just sharing my opinion here, guys. All right. So cool. All right. What I want to show you is real quick first, just my day trading bot. Yeah, we had a sell-off day, but bot was still able to come out profitable, still able to make money. Again, I take guarantee of nothing. These are educational tools only, but you can see the last 30 trades of data, net profitable on Tesla, even on choppy and falling days, bot is still profitable. Again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and that's all. All right. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all what I offer, just educational tools. Use them at your own risk. All right, and so yeah, let's turn this thing off and let's jump into the analysis here, guys. So, all right, starting off from the daily interval. Well, guys, one more thing I want to mention before we go further in this video is that I think the only thing that can really boost Tesla price action again is that Elon's this lawsuits which are ongoing, right? And those shareholder vote. So there's, I think, 7th of June is when there is 7th of June, is it? Maybe. But yeah, I think Friday is when Delaware judge, some lawyers pay out and all of that stuff is ongoing as well there. And then the week after that is the shareholder vote. Final wordings would come out, and we'll see what happens. Elon Musk pay package, right? So there's a lot hanging on those things as well. But taking a look at technicals here, yes, we are above 50 days moving average. That's fine, but there's more to that than just 50 days moving average in the price action. And you can see we are constantly still trending in that lower direction of resistance of that overhead channel resistance that is very apparent. If I take you to the weekly interval, that's where this channel I have drawn actually. So Tesla has not still gotten out of it, right? So the big move is out of this channel once we are able to get it, but it's really struggling to recapture a week as well above that 20 weeks moving average. So that's a problem that you can't ignore right now on the price action here. So yeah, let's go to the daily interval back again. And so yeah, still above 50 days moving average, but as I said, there's a lot more to equation than just 50 days moving average. So let's go to the hourly interval. And so if you know that I have been saying that this 180 is where the sellers are sitting, the supply zone is sitting, then just not letting Tesla go above and beyond. There's so much of supply zone, all the retests have failed. And today, when the market had a good spike up to the upside, Tesla did that. So QQQ also went up. It is holding strong up there. Though unlike Tesla, and Nvidia is holding up strong there, so is SPY holding strong up there after that move that came to the upside. But unfortunately, Tesla sold off, right? And that's a problem because it shows you that sellers are still holding strong. And if I extend that supply zone out here, you can see any spike as it's coming now, it's getting sold off again. It's getting sold off again, right? And we already have so much of sell-off sitting over here. And this is where this level, the bulls are holding this $175 to almost $173. Bulls are holding it, but this is where it's really, as if we lose 173 at this point, 175 is already getting lost. Sellers are coming strong. We are just not able to continue higher, just so much of supply zone sitting, right? So yeah, once we lose this buyer support zone, guys, regardless of if we are above 50 days moving average or whatnot, it's gonna flush badly. Your only saving point on Tesla, if you want to just take it day by day, I mean, even for today, I talked about if we reject at 200 hours moving average, it's just a short play. We got that rejection. Look, here's the thing: it's getting range bound. Intraday, as long as it's not breaking level below like 173, if it's not breaking that, you can try to trade intraday long, just like how my bot did, even the play that we got, but only until these areas of resistance then. The full confirmed bullishness on Tesla without going further below would be if we can close a day above 178, above 180, then only I will get long-term conviction and confirmation that from here we are heading higher. Otherwise, no. So let's talk about the downside. Right, what are the possibilities if we start to lose these levels, the downside like 173 and so forth, right? What is the downside possibility? Well, then, watch this green area, green zone of $160. That's potentially Tesla may be heading down there. Then if 50 days moving average and area 173 can't save it, then unfortunately we are heading lower. So yeah, just the thing is that it's sitting right in the center. Bulls and bears are fighting. It's directionless right now, being range bound, chopping around, frustrating as well. For a month, it has done nothing but gone sideways. So be careful, trade only with the levels. I gave you the levels as where the breakout confirmations are to the upside and where the flushes are to the downside. Any direction, it's going to pick. Tesla is not the stock that's going to stay here forever. Right, Tesla is going to pick a direction, and I gave you the levels where the sentiment breaks. That's the direction it's going to follow, either to the upside or to the downside. And yeah, as of right now, this is I can see though that sellers are coming in strong. Only a big, a move to take out sellers, we need a strong volume, maybe a catalyst or something, but we need to get above 178 and 180, not just get above that, but close a day above 180. That's when some confidence more to the upside would come. Otherwise, I have to say that sellers have more control right now on Tesla stock than the bulls. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll talk about QQQ and SPY in my NVIDIA video. And while we are here, let's just take a look at NEO, because I'm not going to get time to do NEO separately. Oh well, it's losing 20 days moving average. Watch level $5.04. If it can hold it, that's its last bet to keep this structure a little bit more bullish. If we start to lose that, again, yeah, more weakness then. Zeekr, let's take a look at what's going on. At this time, yeah, if it gets about $25.78, upside will come. Otherwise, if we lose, sorry guys, if we lose $25.30, again, the downside. But then you watch if a pivot forms or whatnot. But yeah, this is at a critical point where if it wants to change the structure, it has to do it over here to the upside again. If it has to do, if it doesn't break below $25.30. Xpeng, sideways. Li Auto, nothing over here to see. Nothing here to see on other EV stocks, guys. Yeah. All right, well, that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.